Ladies and gentlemen and game designers, we're going to continue working on the keyboard control, and there's a couple of odd errors that we're going to try to fix. Okay, so take a look at what happens with the code that we have. Okay, so you can see that when I look up and down, instead of just my eyeballs moving up and down, the whole capsule moves up and down, right? And so that gravity takes over and causes it to move when it shouldn't be moving. So we got to figure out, how do we fix this? Well, here's how we do it. So we started off with mouse look, okay? And so mouse look controls the up and down motion and the round and round motion, right? Well, the up and down motion is what's causing the problem, okay, on the y-axis. And so what we're going to do is we're going to transfer that to the camera, right? And then the round and like spinning round motion has to be applied to the capsule, because when we spin, we need to rotate his face basically so that he moves in the direction we want to go, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to create two new scripts, and we're basically going to split this up between the two scripts for the X and the Y. One's going to get attached to the camera, and one's going to get attached to our actual capsule. So let's take a look at what we're going to do. So you're going to make a new script called mouse look Y. You're going to copy and paste all of this, and you're going to end up commenting out, or you could delete this line. And on this particular one, we're going to change the parameters in here. These are going to take a look and make these different, okay? And then next, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to make a new script called mouse look X. We're going to copy all the code from mouse look. We're going to paste it in here, and then there's quite a bit more that we get rid of. So this line gets commented out or deleted. We put the two slashes in front of this, delete that, and delete that. The code stays the same. Now what we have to do is we have to figure out how what to do with it. Okay, so I went ahead and I went to Window, Layout, I changed my layout. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to look at the player. Okay, and so on the player, we're going to uncheck the mouse look script, or we can get rid of it, and then we drag the new mouse look X script onto the player, and that's what we're going to use for there. And then we're going to click on here, and we're going to go to the main camera, and our mouse look Y script gets dragged onto the main camera, so that the up and down motion are on just the camera, like eyeballs. They're not affecting the character or the gravity at all. And there you have it.